Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make these super delicious pumpkin fries, which happen to be low carb, which is always a plus for me. So for these fries, I used olive oil, salt, smoked paprika powder, and of course, pumpkin. So this recipe is pretty straightforward, so I'm not gonna do a lot of talking, but I'm gonna let you guys watch how I made the fries. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.